hey, hold on. Look this way. Your dad's taking pictures right there. There he is. See him? Put the camera down. Hey, this way, man. I want to see your smile, too. You got a pretty smile. Keep the wave going, though. You're not a statue. Smile, wave. There you go. That's better. Hey, they're a nice audience, man. Blow them some kisses. They deserve a little orangutan love today. Yeah, sweet, sloppy kisses for all the fans. It's like Richard Simmons, sweating to the oldies. Nice. Hold on, I want you guys to see these lips, though. Orangutans have enormous lips. Let me get them out there. Babies are beautiful. Look at them. Huh? Lovely. Now, before making it big, and Evan, he actually did impersonations. Here's one you're going to recognize. Mick Jagger. Right there. Be embarrassed. Now, Harry had a lot of fun working on set, hanging out in his trailer, meeting celebrities, eating good food, and just about... What? Dude, you told me you had fun on set. Hey, tell everybody what it's like working with Steve Carell. That's rude. He's a good actor. That really hurts me. Dude, I'm serious. Harry? Oh, wow. It's hard.
Oh my God.
Man, you making fun of me? You owe me an apology.
Oh my God.
Actually, they were rescued from shelters. This guy was rescued from a shelter. If you guys are thinking about getting that pet for your home, we here at Universal Studios American Humane Association want you to consider rescuing one from a shelter.